What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 days of blend, and this is day 31. You guys, I'm so excited about today. The fact that this is the last day of our 31 days of blend, and we're able to finish it, and we're also finishing it with a banger blend. Now, this blend was requested by Mercy. She said, "Hello, nice mixture. Can I see a mixture of ox blood and silver, please?" And I was like, yes. I have to save this for the last because this blend is just very, very beautiful. I did not know how it was going to turn out before this, but I just knew that it was going to give what it should give. And you guys know how I've been complaining about the way 39 has been acting for these 31 days of blend. You guys, I'm really, really excited about this one. So for people who don't know what oxblood is, like what the color is, I'm just going to put it on the screen so you guys can see it. So oxblood is a dark shade of red. It resembles burgundy but has less purple and more dark brown hues. And the color that suits this is color 39 from Expression. You guys already know at this point that I'm an Expression baby. If you don't know at this point, then that means you're just watching me for the first time. And yes, first timers are always welcome in here. Thank you so much for joining this video today. My name is Toby. We hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube a while ago, and then I decided to dedicate 31 days of my life to creating videos that my subscribers love the most on my channel, and that is my color blend videos. So yeah, this is the last day of our 31 days of blend. That's why my voice is this calm, because I'm trying to I'm trying to keep my calm and not be over excited, you feel me? Yeah, so if you are new here, thank you for joining us. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, and join the family. It's always juicy and interesting in here. Over here, I love to post color blend videos, hair tutorial, hairstyling videos, this and that, here and there. You get what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm going to be blending color 39 from Expression, and for silver I'm going to be using the color Pebble from Expression as well. It is one of their newest collection. If you love to go buy them, do go buy them. You can find them in your beauty supply stores, or you can just order them online off Amazon, or any other place that you can order your stuff. So for quantity, I'm going to be using the same quantity for both colors, and I'm sure you guys can already see how it is looking like. I am loving it so much. I can already tell how this is going to turn out. So yeah, I'm sure you guys already saw in the beginning where I showed you guys how we are going to be using this for an ombre blend. Yeah, so I actually do have a detailed ombre blend on my channel already. I'm going to link it in the description box below for you guys so you can go check it out. So basically, the most basic part of making ombre blend is to just make sure that one color is longer than the other. Now for this one, it was not like I planned it. I just realized that my color 39 is longer than my color silver, so I was like, you know what, let's just do an ombre blend instead of cutting the color silver to the color 39 rather, to be the same length as the color silver. So yeah, that is what we are going to be doing, and at the end I'm going to show you guys what the blend looks like as braid, and then you can see how the color just transitions from the color silver and 39 to color 39. Now if you do not know what an ombre is, the word ombre, okay, I'm just going to explain what it is. So basically, it is just a transition of from one color to another, usually from a darker color to a lighter color. And then there's also something called the reverse ombre. Now reverse ombre is when the color transitions from a lighter color to a darker color. Now this one, I'm just going to say it's like a reverse ombre blend because of course the mix of color 39 and color silver is lighter than just the color 39 alone. So yeah, we're just going to call this a reverse ombre blend. So yeah, if you want to do your ombre blend, just make sure that one color is longer than the other one. I already explained how you can do it if you are making more than two colors for your blend, or if you want more than one transition in your blend, then I already have a video for it. I'm just going to link it in the description box for you guys, just so you guys can see it. And as you can see, we did not take so much time blending this hair at all. Like, it blended so well and so fast. See, you guys, the color 39 was just, it was just given. Now you guys can see how it just transitions into just pure 39. Now this transition is not very plenty, like the color 39 on its own is not very much. This is what the blend looks like close up to your face, you guys. I really love it. This is definitely something I'm going to pull off. Now I am actually quite confused about something, you guys. I have over 31 blends with me right now and I don't know what to do to them. So I'll really love suggestions in the comment section. Do drop your suggestion. Let me know what you guys want me to do with over 31 different blends. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to them and I really want us to do something with them. So yeah, this is what the blend looks like as braid. I really love it. You guys already know it looks really nice. Now what I was saying earlier before I cut myself off, if you want to make the one, like the blend, the transition rather, longer, just make sure that your extension, the one that is really long, is extremely long, unlike this one, and then make the other one really short, just so you can get the most out of the transition. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I really do hope you like it and I will see you in the next one. Bye.